Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you an interesting issue with the 21 Volkswagen Atlas. Really cool car. It came in for servicing today. It has about 60,000 kilometers, 60 and change. And just to do the simple servicing, I had to go through hell before I could even open the hood. So let's take a look at what happened. So when I go to open the hood with this handle, it just goes like this and stays. No resistance whatsoever. Just whatever. So then I go start looking what's going on. I had another Atlas that's a little bit older, but similar design. I had it also in the shop and I was able to check it out. And this is where it goes. It goes on the left side here. Through the fender liner. You can actually see the fender liner from here, and it just goes right here is the connection of two pieces of cable. So I was lucky enough to have that vehicle here. I went ahead and removed the fender liner on this one, and I was able to access the cable through this opening. Thank God they make it so bad that you have a huge hole here and you can just get access to it. So I pulled it out and I've disconnected and pulled the cable. So I just opened the hood from here and I didn't have to struggle for too long. I just had to remove the fender liner, that's all. So let me show you what actually broke. So this is the piece that joins the two cables together. This is the cable coming from the lever, and this is the cable going to the lock itself. And this is the piece. This piece is supposed to be crimped onto this cable that's already gone into the housing, I guess. So I guess it's just not a powerful enough crimp, and it just let go. It was sitting on this cable like so. Yeah, so it just joins the two cables together, but this actual piece is the part of this cable that goes to the interior. So now we need a new cable. In the meantime, it's probably going to have to be a piece of rope so that he can open his hood until we can get a new cable. Yeah, so poor quality parts on a very expensive vehicles is now a norm. Because of this is the whole ordeal. And the guy just came to change his oil and do some other maintenance. Now he's having to pay for all of this. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great day and don't buy low quality vehicles.